All right, let's take a few moments to talk about how I've been hacking Instagram engagement using Manychat, Zapier, and Social Connector. So let me show you what I do. When I post a new post on Instagram, if you see, look, I have a pretty small account and my engagement's not bad. 123 likes, 34 comments, 96 likes, 40 comments, 111 likes, 54 comments, 75 likes, 77 comments, 62 likes, 105 comments. And look, it wasn't always that way. Here's only 31 likes. Here's 17 likes, 64. This one did okay, right? A bunch of thread stuff. This one got a lot of likes, but my engagement wasn't always that good. But recently, it's gotten consistently better. Let me show you what I do. So first thing I do is I gather an email address of someone who follows me on Instagram. So when they send me a message on Instagram that says SCIO, SCIO, I check and see if they have an email address stored in Manychat. If they do, then I say, great job, your IG account is all set up and ready to earn rewards because I need an email address. If it's not there, then I follow up and I send them this message. I get their email address, I tell them they're all set up, and I apply a tag inside of Manychat called CO Active. And I set their Instagram opt-in status to true, and I'm done. So this is a one-time setup. I check and see, do I have an email address for them? If I do, great. Go ahead and tell them they're all set up and apply the tag. If I don't have an email address for them, ask them for their email address, get it from them, store it in the contact record, and then tell them that they're all set up and apply the tag. So this is one-time setup. Each person, I just need to get an email address, and I need to store it in their contact record inside of Manychat. Okay, from here, what I do is I just post on Instagram. So this particular post right here, you can see it was people are out here celebrating attention, have mistaken it for success, right? That was my post. It's right here. You can see it, right? All the engagement, all the comments, tons of people commenting, tons of people engaging, right? 122 likes, 8 hours ago. No ads ran to this or anything. I can show you. Here's post insights. If you look at this, look, all followers, no non-followers. So it's hitting my community. It's hitting my audience, my people, right? It gives you all the data here. There's no ads or anything ran to this. Let me show you how I do it, and I'll tell you how long it takes. But before, let me tell you the important step. So what I'm doing is I'm rewarding people for engaging. I'm giving them a rewards token that they can use back in my ecosystem to grab stuff from us. So we use Social Connector to create a rewards token, and then you can use that to gamify your engagement and give people rewards for engaging with you. And then from there, you can let them redeem those rewards for things like coaching calls or courses or lead magnets or VIP access or whatever you want, any kind of redemption you want. So I'll show you that before we're done, but let's get into this. So what happens? I know that they have the CO tag. They've gone through. They've opted in. So we say, okay, pretty easy. When someone comments, check and see if they have the CO tag. If they do, then trigger a zap that says send them one Gary for IG engagement. That's my rewards token. Okay, let me show you the zap. It's real simple. When there's a trigger for an engagement trigger, just send one Gary coin. And this is Social Connector. It's our tech that handles all that for us. So then we go back and we write them a message that says, yo, don't get confused. Focus on success instead of attention. I just shot you a Gary for engaging. All right, so we go back and we give them a message. Now, I'm going to do this again live. I'm going to show you how simple it is and how easy it is. So I had to set up this one onboarding sequence. All right, I had to set up this one template that I can just copy and paste. And I had to set up this one zap with my Social Connector account that says every time that you trigger one Gary IG engagement, go ahead and send one Gary to them, one of their rewards tokens. All right, and Social Connector takes care of everything from there. Let me show you. I have a nice post. It's all prepared on my iPhone. I'm going to post it. If you look here, my most recent post, these are all pins at the top. So my most recent post right here. So let me just go ahead and post this new post. I've got it drafted on my phone. Let me go ahead and share it right now. Takes it just a second. I'll hit the refresh. Let's see if it shares. There we go. Marketing is a contest for people's attention. Now I'm going to go through this and I'm going to do it live with you. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go back right here. and I'm going to duplicate this. When I duplicate this, I'm going to rename it really quick just so I don't get confused. And I'm going to call it Marketing is a Contest Godin, because that's a Seth Godin quote. And I'm going to put today's date. Rename. Really simple, really easy. Now I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on it, I have to go to Edit. When you go to Edit, it's all kind of a little wonky at first where it copied. I've got to change my post. So I'm going to go to All Posts. I'm going to choose my new one. I'm going to go to Continue. I'm going to say any comment on my post. I don't want to reply to them, so I'm going to hit the Save button. As soon as I do, this is all set. Now I've got to go here and I've got to change my little response, and I'm going to say, you rock, you are amazing, blank. Marketing a contest. We are winning the marketing game, and I'll put 3 giraffe there. And I'll update. So now what happens? Someone goes to that post, right? This post right here, right? They go to this post. When they go there, if they comment and they have the CO active tag, they've been through this campaign right here, then we're going to trigger a zap that says there's one Gary for the IG engagement, and then we'll give them a reply that says, you're amazing, blank, whatever their first name is. I definitely have your attention. We are winning the marketing game. 3 giraffe, and it's done. Now, let me show you how this actually works. I'll go log into a different account that I have on Instagram. I'm just on my mobile. You look this up, and we will like it. We will leave a comment. Attention marketing is fire. Send. Now, as soon as I do this and it's posting on my side, takes it a second. All right, now I got a response. So now what I can do is I can go here into my messages. I can show you right here. You are amazing. I definitely have your attention. We are winning the marketing game. So I went to the post right here. I commented as bacon and legs. Attention marketing is fire. It sent me a message right away, right here. It said, you are amazing. I definitely have your attention. You are winning the marketing game. See, that's right here. It's exactly that message right here. So that means it went through this whole sequence, and it did that. Now when I go here, and I go back over to Zapier, and I go ahead and I go look at my zaps and see the ones that most recently ran, my zap history, I'll notice right here, one for engagement, and that came to me. That's my email. Everything took off. I got my Gary coin, and now I'm good to go. So what we did is we built a system that allows you to reward people for taking action anywhere that you can get their email address. So this could be on your website. It could be in your email database. Like if they open your email or they click on a link in your email. It could be if they engage on your Instagram. It could be anywhere in the world that you can get their email address. If they watch a video, if they complete a course, if they show up to Zoom, anything in the world that they do, right? As long as we can get an email address, there's technology out here that exists connected to Social Connector through Zapier that will send a rewards token directly to that person. Now, once it's there, the redemption desk looks something like this. So they can log in. These would be all of your custom offers, whatever they are. Look, this could be a VIP day with you. It could be a course that you've released. It could be a lead magnet. It could be anything you want it to be. It could be gift cards, anything at all you want, right? You put some offers in here that your people want so they can earn tokens for engaging and taking the actions that you want them to take. And then they can redeem those tokens, right here inside of our rewards desk. We also have a leaderboard. We have a ton of other stuff coming here to Social Connector. So it's all built. It's all dynamic. It's all super simple for you to use. As you saw, I did it all live with you here on this video, and we've only been recording for a few minutes. So I've been able to find a path. Look, there's somebody else that already commented. You can see it right here. They already commented. They already got the message. I've been able to find a path to engage my community. Ask my community, would you like to participate and would you like to be rewarded for engaging in my Instagram? And if they say yes, which many of them have, Then I take them through and I say, send me a direct message on Instagram that says SCIO, SCIO. And when you do, it's this little funnel here that checks and says, do we have your email? If we do, perfect. We just mark you done. We've had 32 people here. If we don't have your email, no worries. We grab it from you and we mark you done. And then when you comment, you might earn some Gary coin for doing that. So we can set this up for you. It's really, really, really simple to set up. It's a simple system. It's easy to use, and it's only $100 a month. So if that's something that's interesting to you, check out our website, which is socialconnector.io. You can look here. You can see all the stuff about us. You can hit learn more, and you can go through and check out the demo live for yourself.